What's up everybody? I hope you guys are having a great day and I hope you're excited for this very cool video that we're gonna do today about myth busting. Yes, we are gonna break down some of the most common myths that I'm hearing about the Amazon influencer program, and we're gonna bust them. Now, a lot of this stuff I'm just gonna be able to speak about. I don't really have any hardcore proof or anything that I can really show you guys, but I wanna elaborate, I wanna talk to you guys, and I wanna bust these myths. So guys, the Amazon influencer program has seen a lot of twists and turns, and we joke about the Amazon influencer program being this wild roller coaster ride. Now, yes, that is true, but some of these myths are just so wild, so out of left field, that I think it's only right that I bring it up, kind of talk about it and give my side and my opinion on these myths, and hopefully bust them for you. Now, a lot of people are debating whether they should do the program or whether they shouldn't. Is it worth their time? And they're reading a lot of negative stuff online. Well, although there are some negatives, there's also a lot of positives, and I'm gonna explain that here in this video. Also, just want to give you a little warning that I'm hoping that within just a few days, I have a video come out that's gonna be everything that you possibly need to know about the Amazon influencer program. Now, I have no idea how long this video is gonna be. It's gonna be really long, very informative, and just a video that I think can help a lot of people. So stay tuned for that. So guys, without a further ado, let's get right into the myth busting. The first myth that I want to talk about is that Amazon is only promoting videos based on your gender and or race. Now, this is big because I get a lot of comments and a lot of people who have been like testing this out themselves. I've seen people who maybe they have a husband and a wife and they're both in the program, and they're noticing that all of their husband's stuff is getting promoted. All of their husband's videos are getting on product pages and their videos are not. Now, I don't know about you guys, but if you guys have looked at hundreds of product review videos, you're gonna notice that you see a wide range of videos. You see so many different people from different backgrounds, from different genders to different races. There's so much variety on these product review videos. And some of these videos, you can't even see the person's face. You can't even really see much about the person. You may just hear their voice. So right off the bat, this myth is essentially that it's just a myth. This is a big myth and a big misconception that a lot of people, might think or might put into their head, and then they can't escape it because their videos are not being shown. If your videos aren't being shown up against your husband's, maybe you should stop reviewing the same products that, your husband is reviewing. Review your own set of products, switch it up, try record vertically for the Inspire program instead of horizontally. You have to do different things and try to figure out what you can do different to get yourself on product pages. I don't think it has anything to do with your race or your gender or anything like that, because I don't think Amazon is taking that into consideration when putting product reviews up on product pages. So if you're struggling with this, if you're noticing your videos are not working out, if they're not going on to products, make sure you switch up the type of products you're doing. Make sure you switch up your video style, try to edit it, make it a little bit better, do what you can. Or one other thing you can do is go faceless. If you think you're not getting on product pages because of your race or your gender, stop showing yourself. There are so many people out there that make faceless reviews, that just do it off of their smartphone and just hold the product in front of them, and you can do that as well. So I really hope that this myth, if it applied to you or if you had these thoughts in your mind, you can eliminate those completely, because I haven't seen any instance where this is the case, and I just don't think it's true. Now, the second myth that I want to talk about is that your success in the Amazon influencer program depends on how much money you are spending with Amazon. Now, this is a great one. This is a really good myth and one I'm really excited to talk about because a lot of you guys may have not even thought about this. Now, something really cool with the Amazon influencer program is that you didn't have to make these review videos straight off of products that you've purchased from Amazon. As long as the products that you have at home can be found on Amazon, then you can review them, right? Yes, that is still 100% true, but a lot of people are thinking that Amazon is looking at how much money you're spending in Amazon in order to place your videos on product pages, in order for you to make more commissions. So I just want to say that I don't believe this myth to be true, but there's not 100% evidence backing what I'm saying. I don't have anything to straight up show you other than the fact that there's a lot of influencers, doing the Amazon influencer program that aren't spending a ton of money in the program. There is a lot of people who just get products sent to them for free or products that they had from home, and they're not reinvesting a whole lot of money back into Amazon to make money in the Amazon influencer program. Another example is there's people out there that are going to review products from Airbnb homes or, however they're finding products, right? When they do that, they are not buying those products on Amazon. And these people are still making money off of those review videos that they're making. Amazon is not checking how much you're spending to decide if you should make money in the Amazon influencer program. So that's the biggest takeaway, the biggest reasoning that I can find as to why this myth should be busted. If you think about this program as, something that you have to reinvest your money in and you keep buying products with Amazon, of course, you're gonna see your commission rise. If you keep spending the money that you're making on more products and in turn making more review videos and posting those, yes, your commission is gonna rise. But I don't think your commission is gonna rise because you're spending more money with Amazon. I think it's rising because you have more product review videos, you're doing product research, and you're spending your money and reinvesting your money into making more review videos. Now, another thing to talk about on this point is some people are saying they're not getting approved into the Amazon influencer program because they're not spending any money on Amazon. So essentially, this is another myth because I just helped somebody get into the Amazon influencer program and they just created their Amazon account. It was a brand new Amazon account. They didn't have Amazon Prime. They didn't have any purchase history and they got approved into the program. So this is a great example and a big point I want to make that the main way to get into the Amazon influencer program is going to have to do with your social media presence. Your social media is going to play a huge role into the whole acceptance and approval into the Amazon influencer program, as well as those 3 videos that you make to remove the lock. That, alongside your social media, is gonna be what Amazon looks at to get you into the program. It does not have to do with if you have Amazon Prime, if you spent a certain amount of money on Amazon, nothing like that at all. Now, the third myth that I would like to talk about and bust is the myth of the more videos you make for the Amazon influencer program, the more commissions you will make. Now, yes, I thought that to be true when I first started the program. I thought quantity was key. I was trying to pump out videos as much as I could, volume, right? Get up to 1,000 videos as quick as I could. And while that did help me, and I was able to hit $100 a day, $200 a day, and I was able to see pretty quick success, I don't think that the key is more videos, more commission. I think the key is going to be the products that you're reviewing, the dollar amount of these products, and product research. Because I have, right, like 920 videos on my storefront, right? I can be making the same amount of money as people who have 100, 200, 300 videos on their storefront, but they reviewed more strategic products, products that are worth more, products that needed videos, and products that are selling at a much higher rate. That is the key as to why this myth needs to be busted, because it does not matter how many videos you post to see a great commission. What matters is the products that you're reviewing and if those products are selling. Do those products have videos? Do those products have a carousel? Do those videos have a bottom row of videos? Are a lot of people purchasing this item? Is it a high dollar amount? What is the commission percentage on each item you sold? Because all of that stuff is going to go hand in hand into helping your commission and skyrocketing your commission. So if I was new to this program and I was really trying to grow my commission and see some pretty fast growth, I would really focus on higher end products and doing product research, finding those specific products that need videos and that are selling at a high rate. Yes, of course, still review all the products in your home. And another thing is to stay consistent. Like someone like me who reviewed hundreds and hundreds of videos all really quick up front, and I just thought my program or my results were just gonna continue to increase over time, even though I'm making less videos, I was absolutely wrong. It's better to be consistent and make the same amount of videos every month or, every week, so that there's consistent growth in your videos, consistent growth on your storefront. Then you will see consistent growth in your commissions. Somebody like me who did all the workload up front, a lot of those product review videos are falling off the pages. They're no longer being shown because there's a high amount of competition in those really popular products, and there's only 6 to 10 videos allowed on each page. So therefore, I'm falling off. I'm no longer making a commission on a ton of the videos that I made in the beginning, and I can either go back and make more videos over the same product because I'm no longer on the page, or I could just turn and focus on other products and a different strategy. So there's so many ways to look at the Amazon Influencer Program and so many different strategies that you can follow. Everybody follows their own strategy, is going down their own path and doing their own thing in the program. And so that leads me to the fourth myth I want to bust. So the fourth myth I want to bust is the myth that the only way you can be successful in the Amazon Influencer Program is if you're cheating or doing something that's against the rules, something that people are not going to like, and that average people cannot find success in the Amazon Influencer Program. This is absolutely not the case. I would love to speak on this on my behalf because I am an average person. I have found pretty good success in the program, I'd like to say. And I know that there's so many other people just like you that can find success as well. Now, just like I was saying, there are so many different strategies and different ways that you can find yourself and find your own path in this program. There are the Inspire program, right? Vertical videos that are like TikToks, that are short, that just show the product in use and are really creative and funny and cool. Then you can also do horizontal videos that are more quality review videos, kind of like what I do. There's also live streaming, which is a whole nother path that I didn't even go down yet. And on top of this, there's a number of ways that you can get products. You can start businesses. You can start doing Airbnb. You could start Turo like me. You can, start talking to people and networking and get products in so that you can review specific products and then you can resell them. You can flip them. You can, there's so many different ways you can do this. All the different people that I've met through the Amazon Influencer Program are doing and running their program a different way. This is super exciting because there's so many avenues that you can try. If one thing is not working for you or you're not enjoying something, you can try something else. Listen, I totally understand how easy it is to get caught up in the fact that you can review stuff that you don't even have in hand. You just want to talk about stuff. You just want to put your videos all over Amazon because you think that's how you're going to make money. No, that is wrong. That is not okay because eventually Amazon is going to catch you. You're going to lose your Amazon Influencer Program and you're going to lose the potential of this program down the line, right? So I do not advise that you cheat or you try to do things because you think that's the only way you will find success. No. If you're not finding success in making review videos, try the Inspire program. Try going live. Live is a really cool feature that I really want to try soon, but I have not yet. If that's not working for you either, maybe you can find like a friend or a brother or a sister that can make the videos for you and you can be the networking person. Maybe you can make the contacts and you can contact all of these Amazon sellers and try to get as much products in as you can. Once you get these products in and then you make a review video over it, now you can go sell those products. You can have a garage sale. You can put them online on OfferUp, on Facebook Marketplace. Do what you can to sell those products and make even more money. Maybe you could open up a thrift store or a store, with all of these products that you have. There are so many things you can do. There are endless possibilities here with the program. You just have to dream it, you have to see it, and you have to put it together because there's so many different paths like I had just mentioned, and it's really cool to see all the different ways that you can make money with this program. So guys, I hope you were able to take something from this video and get a little bit of information out of some of the most popular myths that I've been hearing about. I hear a lot of stuff, but some of these have come up more than once, and I thought it was only right to make a video sharing my thoughts and opinions on these myths. So, like I mentioned earlier in this video, stay tuned for the everything you need to know about the Amazon Influencer Program video. And in the meantime, check out some of these videos above, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!